Dr. Trailer in the building.
Keep watching 101 with Odarteygh.
No be you that give me to make a chop, yeah. No be you that give me place make a bed, yeah. No be you that...
This is the mind of a hustler, a story of a king. I'ma tell it as it is, don't need a rhyming scheme. Take it or leave it, take it and keep it. I said it, great minds think alone, then of course I'm ever ready. Vision for the kids, world mission for Presbyterians.
Hello, Xandy Kamel, and welcome to 101 to Odarteygh.
Thank you.
What's up?
Cool.
What's up with you? What's new?
What's new?
Yeah.
Okay, I have a project coming up very soon, so that's what I'm working on now.
Okay, alright. So how did you end up in your profession as an actress? That's what you are known for, right?
Being an actress, I'm someone who loves watching local movies a lot.
Local movies.
So, and I used to be in Kumasi as well, so I buy movies from one producer and a marketer in KJT, somewhere in Kumasi. And anytime I go there, he goes like, oh, I'm beautiful. He would love to have me on a poster and other stuff. And then the kind of movies I buy movies that features particular people in the movie. So anytime he sees it, he was like, okay, anytime he's shooting with those people, he'll make sure I am on set with them. Okay. So one day I went there to buy movies, and then Macho Productions, that's his name. Okay. He was like, okay, so Emilia Brobe is on set with these people, and I was like, oh, okay. He said, okay, so just go and have a one scene so I can have a picture of yours and put on my poster. I said, okay, fine. So I got there, and lo and behold, yes, I met all those people I was admiring far, and it started from there. Wow. So you are not only into acting, into production as well? Yes, I produce my own movies as well. I do events like a lot. All right, okay. So I want you to tell me about your first or your most challenging task or your major challenge as an actress. Major challenge as an actress? Yeah. Do I even have a challenge? At least there will be one particular thing that will be a challenge to you as an actress. I think the only challenge I have is general. It's something that most people, they don't understand what showbiz is all about. Okay. The character people see you play on screen, they feel that is what you are or who you are. Yeah. So most people see me as a bad girl, as a naughty girl and stuff. Maybe because of the things I say on TV or on screen and so, but I believe in getting to know the person first, and then knowing who the person actually is. Yeah, I think that's the only challenge I have, but it's not even a challenge because it's normal now to me. Okay, so you are saying that people don't understand showbiz, or in Ghana we don't understand showbiz? Yes, in Ghana we don't understand showbiz. But have you explored other countries in terms of their showbiz industry to compare, do the comparison, the pros and cons? Well, I love doing research a lot, but I've done few jobs in Nigeria, that's in Nollywood, and I think it's better off there. It's not perfect as well, but it's better off here. How do you think we'll get there? With determination. How soon do you think we can get there? For the soon, I can't tell, because I can say, okay, fine, maybe in the next 2-3 years we can see ourselves there. But the point is, the industry players themselves are our own enemies. Oh, okay. So how then do we come together and then make it there as we want to? Wow, that's a shocking revelation. You know, we don't support each other in Ghana. Yeah. Okay. We don't support each other at all. Okay, great. So I want to know what motivates you, because irrespective of whatever field or career that you're in as an actress, you are faced with some 1 or 2 challenges. What keeps you going? My mom and my man. Your mom and your man, sorry. What about them? The person I'm with now, he has, even though from the beginning he saw me as a bad girl, naughty girl, but we got to know each other and he realized, no, I'm not what he actually thought I am. So he actually took his time, knowing me very well, and know that, okay, fine, this is what breaks me down. So let me motivate her from that angle let me make her strong, let me push her to that level she wants to. And my mom, anytime she hears anything, initially whenever she hears anything negative about me, she goes like, ah, my daughter is at it again. Wow. But I've been able to make her understand that this is what showbiz is all about. Okay. So now when she hears it, she only calls, even if she knows that this particular thing has gotten to me, she goes like, you always tell me that it's part of your job, so just get over it and then move on. And they all support me with prayers as well. So
that's great, that's great, that's great. You're a very solid mom and boyfriend or man as well. Okay, so Xandy, tell me about your first major gig as an actress. Official gig that you were paid for.
Do I even have one?
Why you know?
I know I've been paid for a lot of them, but
the first one, like
first one.
Yeah, I mean, since you entered the industry.
I think it's God, Destiny. Yeah.
Destiny.
It features Mami Sewa. I was Mami Sewa's mother in the movie. It features Mamiya Jackson, Mr. Jetianan, a lot.
Wow. Yeah. So what would you played as Mami Sewa's mother?
Yeah, I was lead character.
And you were paid?
Yeah.
Very huge amount of money or something small?
It was reasonable.
Reasonable. Okay, great. So, which high school did you attend?
Women's Secondary School.
Women's Secondary School.
In the Volta region, Jasakai.
Oh, okay. So I want you to share with me your fondest memory, high school memory that you never forget.
Yeah, I'm someone. When I was in school, I was just me. In fact, I don't even stay in class. So I'm always running away from class. You only see me when it's time for even examinations. I choose the papers I want to write.
Really? Wow.
I choose when it's math science. You will not see me in school, and I'm always in fact maintenant collab the same.
Hey, what's that action?
Oh, class 4, you know.
Class 4, really?
Oh yeah, it's true. In fact, people. So anytime people see, like my mates, when they see people insulting me, they go like, "You people don't know Xandy. This is who she is." So I don't know why people are insulting her. I mean, I don't stay in class. In fact, I don't even know. I can't remember the number of times I've stayed in class from SHS 1 till I finished. I can count.
Which year did you complete?
I completed 2000 and I think 6.
Okay.
Maybe it's quite too.
That's a minimum.
Oh yes, it's true. And then I had a boyfriend in school. In fact, I was a hot cake in school. Wow. From when I was in Form 1, I had boyfriends in Form 1, Form 2, Form 3.
Boyfriends?
Yes. I had lovers, yeah.
Wow.
There. And then the jealousy, let me tell you there because I was hot cake. I don't know, it's also fine. Let me tell you something.
I didn't answer.
Yeah, me and Manasa. Let me jina so. And my father is a handsome man, and then let me jina so I was and it came to a time, I think my Form 1 boyfriend, because we were in Form 1, they were fighting the seniors that the girls are bad, girls and stuff. And then we had a stone in the school that called Lave Stone. So doing a journal market now, and the most Form 1 for Napon preps are. I share Form 1 and kakra. My son Davetia, but it's not a meeting point more. So in fact, I played a very nice game when I was in school. It's not more record. Of course, we said even my headmaster when he was like, "Hey, why you nipo?" People were even surprised when my results came and I did well. Like they were surprised. Baby, now crowd who's I'm calling best they are more, but game pa. But Namia Ebio because that school the day I'm a bon. Because I need time cry. Me to meet Johnny for school. I'm a bank cry. People Germans and I'm a sanko. German and when it's not quite home, about Bema, I'm a sanko. My father will be looking for me. My mom will be looking for me. Hey, my Bobra. By the Mabobi pan. It's about Japan and man and them.
That run out of way number. Like you didn't get pregnant or something.
Oh no, I was careful. One thing is, I have even now. my then school boyfriend, and they be because I said me did my dream home. I'll date you would be fine. Kissing crown to me kissing you because they are me have my number found her crying. I be forward to because of kissing me. So I never had sex when I was at that tender age. No, I think my first sex was after I wrote my WAEC, my SSC. Yes, that's when I had sex the first time. And I was dating someone too who was, I think he was almost in the university, or he was in the university as well. So, so anytime he tells me, no, I want you to finish, no, I go school, I want you to achieve something. Sex is something that we can always have, and it's not about me. So, in fact, I still miss him now because I say I said, man, who
Mate, so if you are not acting, what would Xandy be doing?
Sleeping. Or doing my own videos and laughing at myself, that's all.
So, are you an introvert or an extrovert?
I don't even know. Sometimes I don't understand myself. My guy told me something. He was like, you are a complicated person. Like, you are so complex.
These are complicated.
I was saying, media, I say it too much. I'm complex. Today I am like this, tomorrow I'm like that. That is me. So, in fact, sometimes I ask myself, who am I? I used to have a friend in the UK, and anytime we talk and get to a point, he asks me, Xandy, who cry? Where are you? So, in fact, myself, I don't know who I am.
Who is Xandy Kamel?
Yes, I'm very cordial to people. Okay. I'm very jovial. I love making friends, but I choose my friends. My friends don't choose me. That's me. And before you see me in the company of people or friends, maybe it's a general thing that we've all gone out, but I hardly visit friends. Okay. Right. Yes, I hardly visit because my one met.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, so this is the second segment of 1 hour interactive change, and I term that as the goofy session. Here, I have many questions in this. Just pick 5. You have 5 minutes to answer. There we go. So let's pick your first one.
5 minutes now when the cry time, no?
You produce a guitar time.
You know, say, there be train.
Alright, so
I don't like long papers to cry.
I mean, what I would choose here. The question is, who is the special prosecutor of Ghana?
I don't go to school. That my question is prosecutor. Is it Mati Amidu?
Yeah, right.
Yeah. Hey!
Okay.
Hey, running
all right.
Jesus Christ.
Sing your high school anthem.
Okay, I think I remember. God. Hey. Onward with the times. That is the slogan for our school. Boyman Secondary School. That is to say, let's go to next year.
Okay, the third one.
You're right there.
Mama, you say, what do we need? I said, who was on spiritual?
No, still Grammy. Who's
Follow me.
I said the answer crying so.
Okay, really a mind question. 20 kilograms of stones and 20 kilograms of cotton. Which one is heavier?
Cotton. Cotton.
You have 40.
Don't confuse me. Cotton.
I'm taking the question again. 20 kilograms of stone and 20 kilograms of cotton.
Cotton mood.
Which one is heavier?
Cotton mood. Cotton.
Oh, you sure? Count 30 seconds.
Hey, meti. Now we president Sekromuti will school and number president. I'm a great person. Cotton.
Okay. We not correct.
Na me say menya na wo sisu dia me menya. Na ka wo bu na say.
Okay, so
Same Sabium. Let me mark the same answer.
20 kilograms of stone and 20 kilograms of cotton. Which one is it?
Stone.
Okay, the answer is all of them. Like 20 kilograms.
Hey, we are bad. You're confusing me.
Okay, the last one. Last but one. The fourth.
They don't credit it. I just pray I don't choose any mathematical question. Train.
Okay. Sing the national pledge.
National pledge. Me, I can't sing. I can recite it.
Okay, then recite it then.
Hey, Wagadugu. I promise on my honor to be faithful and loyal to Ghana, my motherland. I pledge myself. Oh, I'll say it. No, that will be confusing me. I promise on my honor to be faithful and loyal to Ghana, my motherland. I pledge myself in honor.
No, I pledge myself to the
service of Ghana. Hey, train.
Started bio.
I'm going to go.
Hey, men go.
I promise on my honor to be faithful and loyal to Ghana, my motherland. I pledge myself to the service of Ghana with all my heart and with all my strength.
All my strength and with all my heart.
This is with all my strength and with all my heart. I promise to hold in high esteem our heritage won for us through the blood and toil of our fathers. I pledge. Hey. Minimum.
And I pledge myself to also.
I pledge myself
in all things.
Because when I watch me, I pledge myself in all things to uphold and defend the good name of Ghana. So help me God.
Trust me, it's not easy for people to recite it. Like,
yes.
On you.
Oh yes.
But you really down.
Me minimum. Me say because I'm a born mass anyway, but for the citizen of
Ghana.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so your last question.
Right there. Sometimes last minutes are dangerous.
Yeah, last minutes are always dangerous.
Hey, in the train, I'm me.
Hey, Fabakushe more Fabakutu.
Train. Baby, when who dance view away? Dance. When say you make it day. Hey.
Okay, so make a sound of a goat.
Meh. I am my
yeah, okay, so this is the end of the second segment. I really had fun.
Why are
there? Number 5, why are there? Alright, Xandy Kamel. Alright, Xandy Kamel. This is the third segment. This segment is called the segment that your fans have questions to ask you. So I will placard.
Mini fans.
No, you have fans. You have a lot of followers.
Mini fans
on social media.
Mini fans.
Fans.
Hey.
So I have with me here 10 questions, numbered 0 to 9. You pick your last 3 numbers or your favorite 3 numbers. Then the questions that you just have. Yeah. So let's go. The ball is in your court. Hey, number 3. When you pick, let me.
Me, who question?
Who is your current suitor?
Oh, goodness. I don't have a suitor.
You have a suitor?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Alright. Okay, so the second.
Hey. Okay.
Number 5.
3.
Number 5. What is your biggest fear?
Snake.
Snake. Your biggest fear is snake.
And chicken. And dog. And cockroach.
So your biggest fear. Animals are your biggest fear. Alright, okay. Your last number. Hey, number 1. Alright. What was your WASI grade?
Kwe. My WASI is the SSC, right?
SSC, yeah.
I had I think I had, is this 16?
I'd be 16.
Yes.
Okay, we did great.
I think I had 16, yeah.
You did great. So, alright, so we exhausted your 3 numbers. Okay, so the question that you picked from the placard, as I said, you said you don't have fans, but I believe you have fans. And you have followers as well, so they are from your followers and your fans. So, I'm also coming to ask you questions from me, following you.
Who asked you to follow me?
Alright, so, I want to know, why is your life surrounded with a lot of controversy? Do you enjoy it?
I don't even know if I enjoy it.
You don't even know.
All I know is I get over them just with the twinkling of an eye. I don't know why my life. I don't know. I don't create the controversies. So I think it's things that come out of my mouth. I mean, I can't keep my mouth shut.
Oh, okay.
If it comes, I'll have to say it.
Okay. So, I learned your dad is a former regional minister of the Volta region. How true is that?
Yeah.
Very true. Okay, and what's up with you and Bella Samoa? You said Bella Samoa is a 1 minute man. And
I didn't say Bella Samoa.
So who was that?
I only mentioned a bill. I didn't add a surname to it.
So it was a bill.
Bella Samoa is my senior colleague in the industry. He was my Ashanti regional is it chairperson or so, yeah. Okay. So we are cool, we are friends, and that is it. He's my senior and we are friends, that's all. We never dated, we never had sex, so I don't know how long he lasted in bed.
Okay. But have you dated someone in the industry before? Or are you currently seeing someone?
In the industry? Yes, I've dated someone in the industry before, yes. But now, I'm not dating someone in the industry.
Do you mind mentioning names?
No.
You want to keep it private?
Because the person is married now.
Oh, okay.
So I wouldn't want to break someone's home.
Okay, that's good. Alright, so that will be all for now. Alright, so viewers, this is the end of One Word with Odarteygh. And before we go, I want you to drop your social media handles, and if people want to connect with you, any project that you have, anything at all, just look into the camera and just...
Okay, well, my handles are Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. They're all the same, Xandy Kamel, together. Xandy Kamel. The Xandy is Xandy, Kamel, Kamel. 2019 is kind of packed for me. 2018 was kind of a joke. Yes, I had so much fun and jokes and stuff last year. But this year, my management, I'm now under a management, so my management have lots of stuff for me. Ending of this month, we are having a project. In fact, it's not just ending of this month. We're having a project that we are starting January till the rest of the year, like the rest of the months in the year. So what we are doing is we visit all schools. We visit schools, we bring schools together, and then we have something like a donation in the form of a fanfare. Things we are giving out are school bags, exercise books, and other learning materials for students, especially people in the, is it urban or rural areas? In Krasin. Yes, rural areas, yes. We give people, because we believe that certain people who are supposed to look at them or look at that sector and help them are not doing it. So I'm trying to use my platform to create that awareness for them to see that there are people somewhere in the part of the country who are actually suffering. Yes. So I'm starting from the Volta region, and then we are looking at 3,000 students from the northern part of the Volta region. So you can also my school exercise books by 1,000. There is a phone. Okay, now my message was 1,000 crown, school bus by 100 crown. Now discuss crack.
But I'm always available to support you in terms of.
Me can't say mommy online they be brain now. Be a person di me chiko. More call cry. I'm better cry me problem. The moment you cry me problem. It's supporting me now. You na uncle. That's it. And you're online. And you're online.
All right.
So this is it, and then after that, we are looking at other places too before we come to the center of the country as well. So I urge everyone to also support, because Ghanaians, good causes they don't support. It's all the negative ones that you see everybody trying to poke nose into it. So I urge and plead people all over the world to come on board and support Team Xandy, and then let's put smiles on the faces of these kids out there. And also we are looking out for we are looking out to help the less privileged but intelligent ones. There are some people who are less privileged, but they are not intelligent. We'll help them as well, but the intelligent ones are people we are aiming at helping, because they might end up playing vital roles in the country in some years to come. So that is it. We're looking at widows as well, and a lot. In fact, this year is packed. I'm going to shoot my own movies as well. We're having, in fact, watch out, what's it? We can't even know.
Alright, so viewers, you heard it all from Xandy Kamel. Follow her on social media, Xandy Kamel, on all social media. And also follow me as well, Odarteygh_GH on all social media handles. So to come your way next week, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also hit the notification bell to get updates of subsequent content that we upload on this channel. Bye for now.